Alright, what's good, YouTube? We're back again with another tutorial. This is a beat breakdown. I'm not exactly sure who I hear on this one, so we're just going to call this an ambient melodic, underground beat. My typical style, like I normally do. If you haven't already, follow, like, comment, share, subscribe, show some love to the channel so the algorithm works towards my favor. And yeah, we'll go from here. So let's go ahead and hop into FL Studio and get into the first sound. And as always, if you wait till the end, I'll go ahead and show you all the VSTs, the breakdown of everything, and the patterns and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and hop into FL Studio. All right, so the first sound that we've got is this piano pattern that I came up with, and here's that pattern. All right, then we layered it with this melody sound. After that, we added a little background sound, something to add some ambient sound, some ambiance pretty much. And this is what that sounds like. Once we got some background going, we had to put some variation in there by adding some keys. And these are the key pattern that I came up with. Once those keys were in there, obviously you see it's purity. I meant to rename that, but it's supposed to be ARP. Let's go ahead and rename it ARP. So you guys got a little bit of sneak peek of what I use, that of you guys that don't stick around for the whole video. So this is that ARP. Alright, so that's the full melodies there. Once I did the melodies, I always do my drums after the fact. So I'll just go ahead and show you what all the drums sound like all together played. And then we'll hop into the actual beat so you guys can hear the beat. So here's all the drums played at one time. Want to have some type of bounce to it, something that'll go with these the melodies that we're making. Again, I like to make sure my melodies carry the beat for the most part, and then add some not simple but not too complex drums. That way the artist has room to rap on it, and it makes it easy for anybody to make a song to it. So once you got everything all laid or structured out in the pattern mode, this is what it all sounds like together. Pretty melodic, ambient, like we always go for. Let's go ahead and knock out the actual portion where we listen to the beat. So let's go ahead and switch over to song mode. And if you haven't already, follow, like, comment, share, subscribe, show some love to the channel. And as always, if you wait till the end, I'll break down all the VSTs and everything like that, and the patterns and whatnot, and go through my mixing as well. So let's go ahead and hop into this actual beat. Let's go ahead and give it a play. guys, we are back, and like I say, we're gonna go ahead and hop in straight into breaking this whole entire beat down. And for you guys that only stick around for the first portion, I appreciate you guys' love and support. Go ahead and leave a comment or a like on the way out. And for you guys that like to stick around and get all the real sauce, I appreciate you guys' support and you guys sticking around. Follow, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow me at all my social medias, Milan Makes Beats. And let's go ahead and begin to break this beat down. Switch to pattern mode again. And we're just going to go sound by sound. All right, guys, that's pretty much it, man. That's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and this breakdown and everything of that nature. Follow, like, comment, share, subscribe, like as always, and show some love to the channel. Follow me on all my social media at Milan Makes Beats on everything. If I got it, you'll find me. If I don't, you won't. And that's really about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and this breakdown. Let me know what in the comment section what you guys want to see next, whether it be some type of engineering stuff, a beat breakdown, another tutorial, cook up, whatever it is, but we're just going to try to stay creative all the time. And that's all I got, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of this video, and we'll be back next week. Peace.